Let's do a 0 to 60 run here, as best we can, of course. Now, I do love that the way that Mazda designed these CX-70s and CX-90s is the rear wheel drive performance. Now, when you feel that in a Mazda from a 4-cylinder, even though this has got an electric motor to it, I think it's really dynamic of a feel to finally get a 4-cylinder out of a Mazda that also runs to the rear wheels besides the MX-5. That's a pretty unique feeling I haven't felt in a while from Mazda, so kudos to Mazda on that. And so for charging, if you have a level 2 charger already installed at home, you can expect to charge this in as little as 2.5 hours. Now, if you just plug it into your regular wall outlet that you have at home, that could take maybe overnight or 6 to 7 hours to charge. And of course, you can set the vehicle to charge while you're driving, meaning that you can send the regenerative energy back to the battery at 100% capacity, or you can even modify that within the Mazda Connect system. But for the most efficient setup, use of the plug-in hybrid is of course to plug it in, charge it before you go, because of course you're using fuel to regenerate and supply the battery with more power. So even though you're setting it to a complete charge, it's not always my recommendation to just live off that hybrid capacity to get the best fuel efficiency on it. And so example, that button's right next to your MI drive mode selectors. So instantly you pop that out, you get your charge target if you want to change it, and you can change it to only 80%, 90%, 100%. But again, you're using all the gasoline power to do that, so I don't think that's the most efficient way to go. So with this amount of space, this big a vehicle, the amount of cargo space, leg room, and amenities offered in the CX-70, that's a really good fuel efficiency. So with that efficiency and its power output, 323 horsepower, 369 pound-feet of torque, it's all-wheel drive, the rear bias all-wheel drive, which is really enjoyable. You have an 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty on the electric motor, and then you also have 3 years, 36,000 miles bumper-to-bumper coverage. And with that fuel efficiency, it also offers a 0 to 60 time in just over 6 seconds. So it's fun to drive, great road manners, and the all-wheel drive system is fabulous in the Mazda. Let's check out the trunk so you can see how much capacity you have there, since you do have to store a plug if you like. That really does offer a lot of cargo space, and self-folding, really nice. Thanks for joining me on that quick look at the CX-70 and the ride along. I'll see you in the next video. Drop a comment, please like and share, and I thank you for all your support. Safe travels to you and your family.